Welcome back to another the spicy of the video of Happiest Day. Today, you can quite clearly see, I'm just trying to turn the game. It's just taking forever because the game is apparently lagging right now. No idea why. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Okay, there we go. Yeah, obviously, as you can see, after Withered Bonnie got taken away, people are like, run! Yeah, that's pretty much what's happening right now. Yeah, the roleplay is going to now begin. Run! Everybody run! Hide! Scream! Yo, wait a minute, I can just close the portal, then they can't get through. Woo! I'm so smart. Are you kidding me? Oh my, what happened here? I think something bad probably happened. Where's that Withered Bonnie guy? One that looks like a Night Bonnie, but he looks actually like he isn't as broken. Oh man, I wish I was like that other guy, but that, like, actually, I think he's. Wait, is Withered Bonnie dead? He died. Wait, I don't really know. He was taken away and stuff like that. Oh, this is bad. No. Oh heck. We might have to start more early. Oh, in fact, I do this. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wait a minute, it's fine. We're only like after this episode gets posted, we're only 3 videos away from it being final episode of season 2. Oh, you're right, because there's probably gonna be 21 episodes in every season now. So it's just that all these episodes are coming out a lot faster. So therefore, he's not losing motivation because it's like the only videos he can make. It's like the only videos that he can make now. He's kind of destroying every single video he's ever made. Not every single video series he's ever made. Yeah, that sounds kind of tough. Yeah, I don't see who would want to do that, but okay then. Especially when I mean, like, some of them are probably better than this series. Well, we're the surviving series, but there are a few others, but they're smaller. I don't really care about that. Shouldn't we like get the series that we didn't, the video series that we didn't invite? Maybe like Freddy in Space. No, we don't talk about them. We don't talk about them. They're not there. They don't really count them as canon. They're also in the future. So how did White Rabbit get here? Oh yeah, right. I forgot. He's like or something like that. Yeah, you know, the usual thing. Yeah. I have a question for you. How did you survive getting crushed under that thing? I made like a pile of spaghetti pretty much. Yeah, I can understand that. I know how you survived, but how is your suit not damaged? I mean, like, you know, like the things that, like the accessories, the hat, every button, maybe the extra eyes, all these face plates. I don't really know. I guess I just survived somehow. Might not survive with them in the war. In the next part of the war. The war's been going on for a while. And Ard, if you could survive an Ard, you probably might want to survive since. Actually, you probably might not want to, since you probably deserve a proper beating. You deserve to get slapped in the face like 50 times. Why? Isn't it obvious? You're the reason this war had to happen. What do you mean? You're the one who kind of made you're the one who made the scientist guy angry, and then all this stuff happened. Oh yeah, right. I forgot I made him really mad. Bad. Oh, you idiot. That's not nice. Oh. Well, swear this had to happen like right after like our Christmas and New Year's party. We still don't even know the reason why the New Year's party went wrong. Well, I guess we may never know. I'm the only one who actually watched the video. You know, I already know I did it as well. I just don't. Wait a minute, was it you who caused it? Guys, this man was the one. He's the one who caused the problem. No, it wasn't me. I just watched the video of it. Apparently, it says in the video. Well, that's pretty spicy, actually. That's pretty nice. Good. It's sad that not all the main characters survived, especially Norman and this guy. I guess I don't really talk about him, but Norman got decapitated. And it's weird. It's a weird guy. He got crushed under a rock. Or some sad people had to die. But this is probably the saddest way to go. Getting crushed by a gigantic rock. That's just sad. It does not sound fun. Yeah. That's pretty tough. We gotta figure it out. We need to start training, guys. None of us have actually been trying to train for action. Ready to fight again because, yeah. Okay, let me think. Okay, Shadow Freddy, you're good because you're magic. Puppet, you're good because you're also magic. Let's see. Lizard Sheikah, because you kind of just have to deal with Lizard Freddy, who had magical powers and something like that. So you were able to fight someone who had magical powers. And also, right now, if you hear barking, that's just my dog because I'm making a video while he's here. The problem of chasing shadows because apparently some other people used to have him, but they had another dog, and he always attacked them, and they made him stop with using a laser pointer. Advice: never use a laser pointer on your dog, or it'll start chasing shadows. My dog's been doing that for 2 years now. It's being really dumb. And or because you're just back something real quick. And or because you're strong. Oh yeah. Shut up. No one really cares. Yeah. Yeah, even me, the ugliest Sheikah here is here. It's on the list, that's fine. Oh my, now I'm kinda sad that I'm on this list. Okay, and good Sheikah, since you have those weird Minecraft thing skills, I don't really know. Oh yeah. Now let's see the rest of you guys here. Hey Freddy, because you just have a gun. I have a gun. That makes me special. Why don't we make guns? What about the rest of us here? Oh, White Rabbit, because you're magical. Yeah, you're probably actually one of the strongest on the team right now. Oh boy. Yay. Now I know I'm probably going to train myself too, but I can tell who's good and who's not. Let's look around the rest. I feel like this chicken has known the most has known the most information about this so far. So I can't really speak. So that thing's going over there, I guess. I'm just gonna assume that it's good. Like, it has no hands in it actually when they go into a war, so I can't really say. Hey, wait, I had no hands. Oh, not as smart as this thing. I'm just gonna guess this thing is smart. I'm gonna assume. Just feel like it. Hey, wait, I was in the Air Force. The Air Force are fine. Foxy, you were. Yeah, sure, I guess, whatever. It's. I'm more special than you guys. I'm better. I like is like half of everybody here who doesn't need to actually train. Yeah, we better start training, guys. Come on. I already do a lot of jumping jacks. Rather than doing jumping jacks, since we can't really move our hands, legs, and jump at the same time. I'm doing them, yeah. It's so hard doing these, especially if you're a Gmod character. Wait, wouldn't it be easier because you more like the move is much because all your bones are kind of dead anyways. Yeah, I have no legs. Oh, dang it. Do sit-ups or something like that. Okay, I'll try. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm bad at this. Bad at even sitting down. This is that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and he does like 200 more. Oh my gosh, that's exhausting. Can I do one-legged hop since I already have one leg? Train your leg up. Hurry! I'm gonna kick a ton of people in the face. Bathroom chicken, you just practice next to you. Supposed to do those. Make jacks too. Okay, boing, boing, boing. Bunny hop, boing, bunny hop, boing. You're not ready. Come on, get started. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm working so hard. You start too. La la la. I'm so good at this. Yeah. Dooba dooba doo 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 doo. I hate working out. Honestly, because I've already lived most of my life. Because I'm honestly called old candy. It's like saying I'm young. I literally have old in my name. I'm obviously old. I'm actually pretty young. Yeah, most of the new characters here are like young. Pretty much, I guess you could say. Pretty, it means you too. Oh, okay, fine. Jeez, duh. I hate doing this. That looks easy. Even easier, and doesn't even count as a workout. If you have magical powers, see, look. All you have to do is just make yourself start to fly, then go down. Start to fly, go down. Start to fly, go down. Real easy. Oh, man, I feel bad for those guys who actually do this. Looks painful. That means you guys here too. What? Come on! How could you guys help? We're not doing them. You can. Come on, Wayne, come on, help me. Okay, whatever. This is boring. I don't like this. You guys are fine. Zeros are doing and stuff in chat. I mean, like, yeah, you guys can just continue doing whatever you're doing. And that means you too. Okay, this sucks. Now also includes myself. I'm the shit doing this. Oh my gosh, guys! I'm like quadruple jumping. Boing, boing, boing. He just learned how to fly or something. I think he did. Oh yeah. I'm totally doing a thing. I can make it to the top of the tallest buildings. I can fly. I'm going so high. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. I stopped jumping. Lagging. Oh no. That was a big oof. He got big oot beside a big noob. Oh, that hurt. Whatever. I'll never do that again. Don't do that again. I guess I can like jump like pretty much unlimited and do unlimited jumps even in air. It's just like boing, 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 boing. No. Oh, my back. Oh, that sucks. Like that. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, that sounds like it sucks. I fell from a really far height. That was a lot of damage. Or you said it, whatever. You said it. What do you even say? I don't really understand. I don't really speak the language of. I still don't speak that language. You need to start speaking English. Is this thing's voice watch just broken? Probably, but we're all too lazy to fix it. We suck. I don't remember if there's anybody else still like over here or something. I know what their Foxy's gone. Everybody's over here is dead. They're still here? That's not meant to be here. That's dead. Oh man, this sucks. And now all of it's dead. Oh man, oh, I just tripped. Oh, come on, my back. Man, you gotta be kidding me. Guys, I honestly think we're ready to go to war. Why are we still just doing stuff here? There has to be 21 episodes in every single season. Ah, jeez. Yeah. Yeah, it's taken like 3 weeks to tell most of the story for the second Happiest Day Season 2 so far. And it took months to tell first season, so that's probably gonna stop happening because well, obviously when we deal with the second part of the war, because I just want to say the second part of the war, the second movie is the final movie that the war is in. Either but you guys don't know how it'll end. Will end in the good team winning or the bad team winning. Don't you dare say this like Endgame. It's definitely not. And also, if it was, I'm not gonna make it that. Oh, Freddy Fazbear dies. Everybody else is back. Yeah. That'd be lazy writing. Although I did kind of do. Although I didn't even base my first movie off of Infinity War at all, so what's the point of making an Endgame-like movie when I didn't even make an Infinity War-like movie? I'd rather make an Infinity War-like movie first anyways, since Endgame didn't have as much action as Infinity War. Yeah! We need more action! Forget story and 3-hour-long movies that most of it's like just trying to do something. Yeah. At this point, I expect everybody who's watching this video to watch Endgame. Especially if you know that I also have seen Endgame. Too, mainly because, I mean, like, who has not seen Endgame? Unless you don't like Marvel, then you've seen Endgame. It was probably the most hyped movie ever. It's legit the Endgame of Avengers. But what I wish I had that hype. I wish I could have that sort of hype for my videos. Sadly, no one cares. I haven't even done YouTube for a year, and I don't know, making random Gmod videos like this is the most popular thing there is. Probably isn't. Yeah, goodbye.